Here's what I've been using to hold all of my video gear this past year. I fully invested in the Flex Stack Pack system. And then I also have some Pelican cases there when I travel. This is what construction workers use to be very modular, to fit on a truck or a car, or you can just put wheels on the bottom of any of these and put them onto a big truck. There is a labeling system that FlexStack makes, but I just didn't use it. But one is dedicated for audio, one is dedicated for miscellaneous, and the other one is dedicated for video accessories. I'll show you the audio first. Here is their tool. This is for smaller pieces like screws and other really tiny pieces on a construction site, but what I have is just audio adapters. This is where I keep all of my audio adapters and cables. Every piece you see is modular. It comes apart. And the way it comes apart is that there are these releases right here. You undo those releases and you can remove it. I'll remove it a little later, but this one is its own piece and it's more of a suitcase. This one has 3 levels. Open this up. This is where I keep all of my audio gear. There are dividers in here that let you change a little bit. You can't do too much, but you can do enough where you can have one long and then section off the others. And here's another one. Here's where I keep a bigger mixer right there. And then here is a big and a small top level. This level I have some more mics. And here, the bigger one, I have just bigger headphones and other accessories for my audio. On the very bottom, you have rubber feet, but this can also connect to a wheel system. The wheel system I have in my vehicle right now, but this whole thing can fit on wheels and it's very easy to push. This one, open. Here's where I keep different accessories. This one comes with these smaller inner cases where you can have different accessories. Oh, this is where I keep my GoPro and my small action cameras. And then I have just a bunch of miscellaneous in there. These two are pretty unique. They're the same ones. These are very similar to milk crates. So on a lot of film productions, you have milk crates that you put on the stingers or really heavy grip gear. This is the same kind of idea. I'll get to these in a second. And then this is the same one as that one, but this one I have my power systems and then other accessories in there. And let me show you what those A-crate ones look like. So undo that one. Okay, I just removed that. And here is just an open space. So I have my lighting gear here. And then you have pretty wide handles on the sides so you can hold it. This could hold really heavy gear because it's meant for construction sites. They're really heavy, very durable, huge open space. So say you want to have this by itself and you don't want to stack another piece on there, but you want some kind of a lid. Well, Flex also has this lid right here. This is a wood and you got some little holes here where you can put some screws or other accessories. How this works is release, release. This comes out and this is its own piece. This is an accessory you get. Here's the bottom of what it looks like. This is quite heavy, but now what I can do is I can put a lid on this like that, have it snap in. Now what you got is a lid, but you can sort of use this like an apple box. It's very sturdy, flat surface. You could damage the wood part, but the plastic is very sturdy. But now I got a lid. So let's move on to this one. This is one of their bigger suitcases. Undo that. And here you have an accessory pouch that I think this comes with it. Then you have one of these that you can put in tools. And then there's where I put some other bags and monitors and accessories. This doesn't come with the Flex. I just got, this is like a tackle box. And then I put in little small knickknacks, screws and stuff like that. Now getting to my hardware. This is the 3 levels, just like over there. This one, I got some cables. This one right here, oh, got my V-mount batteries. Here are all of my miscellaneous grip, small grip gear. Got them all organized there. Then this one's a little different. This one's one giant bin, and then I fit in whatever cables and stuff I put in here. This part right here, you can't see it from this angle. It works like one of those handheld dollies, and there's some big wheels there, so this can stack and it rolls sideways. So you can screw in accessory bars that Flex makes, and then you can have like hangers and other rail systems to hang accessories off of the whole Flex Stack rig. I've taken the Flex Stack pack on several productions now in my van. They don't all fit like this. I take it all apart, stack them up like bricks, and then unpack it when I'm at my location. There was one production where I stacked it too high and it did fall over, and it was a huge crash, and I thought things were damaged, but nothing was damaged when I did that, and it fell on concrete. The biggest con about this system is that it's just really heavy. There are other brands that make very similar modular designs like this. So many other construction brands do that. This one, I just like the color, and I like certain features about this that the other brands did not have. So there might be another brand that makes these a little lighter, but the Flex Stack Pack, they're heavy.